What's up guys, welcome back to another maths video. Today I will discuss about the solutions of NCERT exercise 1.2. In this corona time, most of the students do not participate in online classes organized by school. So we make videos to give you the solutions of NCERT exercise 1.2 and also to solve your problems. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to talk about the formula used in this exercise. The formula first is LCM into HCF equals to product of the numbers. The second formula is LCM equals to product of the numbers by HCF. And the third formula is HCF equals to product of the number into LCM. In this exercise, we have to also find the prime factors of the following numbers. So, first of all, we have two methods by which we can find prime factor. The first method is factor tree. This is our factor tree. And the second method is prime factorization method. This is our prime factorization method. Now, our first question is express each number as a product of its prime factor. It means we have to find the prime factor of the following numbers. There are some parts, I only solve one part and the remaining part you have to solve it. The first part is 140. The prime factor of 140 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. You can also write this 2 raised to power 2 into 5 into 7. Our second question. Find LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers. We all know that LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers. The formula which I told you in the first part of this video. But we have to verify this here also. So, our number is 26 and 91. The prime factor of 26 is 2 into 13. And the prime factor of 91 is 13 into 7. The LCM 2 into 13 into 7. This is not 17, this is 7. So, the 2 into 13 into 7 equals to 182. HCF equals to 13. So, LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers. If you see that LCM equals to 182 into 13 and LCM into HCF and the product of number is 26 into 91. If you split 182 into 13, it will become 26 into 91. So, we verify that LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers. Our third question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Here, it is clear that we have to apply prime factorization method. We have two methods, factor tree or prime factorization method. We have to find prime factorization method. 12. The prime factor of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, 15. By prime factorization method, the factor of 15 is 3 into 5 and 21 is 3 into 7. So, we have the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 or 2 raised to power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. That is 140. And our HCF equals to 3. Our fourth question. Given that HCF 306 657 equals to 9. So, I repeat the fourth question of exercise 1.2. given that HCF 306 657 equals to 9. Find LCM 306 and 657. The answer is fourth question. LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers. LCM into 9 equals to 306 into 657. LCM equals to 306 into 657 by 9. That is 201042 by 9. Therefore, LCM equals to 22338. It means 22,338. This is the solution. Our fifth question. Check whether 6n can be AND with the digit 0 for any natural number n. The solution is 6 raised to power n equals to 3 raised to power n into 2 raised to power n. Since there is no 5 in the prime factorization of 6 raised to power n, 6 raised to power n cannot AND with the digit 0 as per the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is your solution. Our sixth question. Explain by. I repeat. Our sixth question. Our sixth question is explained by 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. The solution is 13, 11 into 7 plus 1, 13 into 78, 13 into 13 into 3 into 2. The given number can be factorized in the prime numbers. By fundamental theorem of arithmetic, the given number is composite. This is the solution. Our seventh question is, there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia take 18 minutes to drive. Sorry for the interruption. Sorry. So, there is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? Our solution is required number of minutes is the LCM of 18 and 12. The prime factor of 18 is 2 into 3 raised to power 2 and 12 is 2 into 2 raised to power 2 into 3. The LCM equals to 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2. That is 36. Hence, Sonia and Ravi will meet again at the starting point after 36 minutes. This is the solution. Thanks for watching my video. If you like and enjoy my video, so like and subscribe my channel and also join my WhatsApp group to ask some more questions. Thank you.